Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at National Phoenix Airport. Great to be back because I know they have a lot of cars here. Let's do a walk through. So this is specialty / reserve section. Here we got standard SUV, but as I mentioned before, the signs don't necessarily always match with what's parked there. I got one of those Volvo XC40s. And this, I don't know if we're getting into Alamo or not here, but oh, look at this Audi A5. What color is that? That's almost like a greenish color. We got a Cadillac Escalade over here. This, I don't know if this, well, Alamo, Enterprise, National, all the same fleet. So let's go for a meander. This is the executive aisle over here. So I'll just pop out over in the middle, guys. There's the emerald aisle straight ahead. This is executive on this side. We got the Expedition here, minivan, Audi. And luxury. You know what? I don't think this is the aisle. I wonder if they move things around. I think the aisle is on the other side. Yeah, I remember it being pretty big. Okay, so a couple larger SUVs down there, guys. Okay, so this is the regular aisle. This is the emerald aisle, but I think executive aisle is way down the other side. And yeah, okay, so let's go. There's VIP over there, just a bunch of Volvos over there. Okay, so here's the entrance, guys. Sorry about that. Doesn't look as full. Again, it is a Monday, later in the day. So we have got some of the upgrades here. I don't know why those electrics are there, but we got the Volvo Range Rover. Oh man, slim pickings today, guys. I was kind of hoping to show you some more. Last time, if you look for a video about a year or two ago when I was here and I got that Camaro convertible, and Audi, the wiper blades up. You know, if you're showing up as executive today, you could choose something here, or you could probably talk to the staff and see if they can pull something well, you might be interested in. We got a Sienna van. So this is kind of what the aisle gets like when they're low on cars. So they just start throwing everything, like trucks, vans, everything in the aisle. This is all executive, right? So there's a pickup. We can take a look at that pickup truck over here. This could be a higher trim. It looks newer. Oh no, just the XLT. And we got this one's a higher trim, the Larry Meat, that I can never pronounce, on this Ram. So you got your leather seats here. This one's got 6,000 miles, not too bad. Somebody's taking that Expedition. We got a couple minivans, more trucks. Yeah, this is what it looks like when they're low on cars, guys. A lot of minivans, SUVs, trucks, bigger SUVs. But it is a Monday, end of the day, so yeah. Oh, what's this? Well, that's the Mazda, the CX-9, no key though. Somebody's taking, there's a couple of Yukons here. This is all executive, guys. Got a Ford Edge coming in. Wagoneers. And, well, you know, guys, I got to come back someday when they're busy. Or when they're less busy. This will all be full. If you look at my old video from a couple of years ago, this is all full. The video I did when I had 1,000 subscribers. There might be some more reserve. If I can find some more reserve, I'll add it on. Otherwise, I think we might wrap things up, guys. What do we got? That's just the regular aisle over there. Yeah, so this is all the regular emerald aisle here. That's all the regular emerald aisle. Yeah, they're just low on cars. I mean, National is... I keep saying they got the best customer service, so they're always the busiest. So this can happen. yeah, then we're just kind of back where we started, guys. Okay. Well, I'm going to wrap things up here. I'll try and do Alamo and Enterprise while I'm here, so stay tuned for that. Again, just a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe. See you guys in the next one.